Hi, my name is Felicity Powers. Thank you for joining this video. I hope you watch through the whole thing if you really are curious and interested in enhancing your skills as a healer, or if you're really curious about getting into the work of helping others and want to learn more about it. The course that I offer is an incredible 6-week class that really teaches you in a hands-on way the tools and skills that I have to help people work through relationship and childhood trauma and get to the other side quickly. The tools that I use have been changing lives all around the world. I work with clients all on Zoom. And so I'm able to have this huge impact because clients come to me and I can help them get through the trauma and the symptoms of that trauma that they're experiencing in 3 to 5 sessions. I love the work that I do. It lights me up every day. I have incredible relationships with my clients. I love getting the emails saying my life has changed. I'm moving to Europe, or I have never felt more safe in my body. I finally feel safe in a relationship. I can finally be myself authentically. All of these things light me up inside, and I'm super passionate about. So, if you're a healer or a coach and you really want some tangible, hands on skills that you can then bring into your client sessions and help guide them through that trauma, help release those symptoms that they're experiencing, symptoms like depression, extreme anxiety, unable to continue or have a healthy relationship with a partner, if they're experiencing fear or phobias, if they're playing small and afraid to put themselves out there, all of those things can be at the root from a trauma. And so I will teach you how to give them access to that root, and then also all of the skills you need to help them heal. And in doing so, you'll find that when you help others heal, you also heal yourself. And in each session in our classes that we have together, you will get to be in the hot seat and experience each of the tools I'm teaching for yourself so that you can begin your healing process. If there's something that needs to be cleared, if there's something that you're still struggling with, this is not for perfect people. I am not perfect. We're all on the process of this healing journey. And so you'll get an opportunity to experience all of the tools from me so that when you go and work with your client, you feel empowered. You know what kind of change these tools can have, and you're able to speak about that in a really powerful way. So, I encourage you to learn more about this course. The next video will give you a few more details about what this course entails. It's 6 weeks. And it's called Soul Awakening. It's really about diving into the subconscious, into your soul calling, your intuition, and using somatic healing to heal the body and the mind. So I hope that you are curious. I hope that this feels like right on target, like you were meant to be here. And I look forward to meeting you and doing this really in a hands on, tangible way.